Kukhona lo hlobo labantu elingafuni ukumukela ukuthi lapho basebenza khona basafufusa, basafundiswa, kanti futhi ezinye iy'ndaba kumele bangayingeni. Ngikutshela ukuthi le nkinga le ukuthi umuntu afuna ukuzifaka yonke indawo ikhona kuyo yonke imisebenzi. Ngisho umuntu asebenza esikolweni ayi-first year teacher uceda kuphuma evarsity usafundiswa umsebenzi, usafundiswa ukuthi uma ubhekene nesimo esinje wenza kanjani. Hayi, leyo first year teacher ingathola i-SMT school management team ihlangene nje bamile bakhuluma ngeindaba zokuba double booked for ma-meeting nama-workshops. Hayi, naye uzawungena. Uzozwa nje uprincipal uyacomplaina or undlulisa into abhekene nayo kuma-HOD akhe. Uyathi ukuthi angazi ngizasidabula phakathi noma ngenze njani nkosi yami ngoba e-district ngine-meeting, kanti futhi u-circuit manager ucele kungibona ngavuma ukuthi ngizoba khona kanti ngisanale district meeting. So angazi ngizakwenza njani. I-HOD enye nayo iphendula ithi nami angazi ngoba nginale nkinga efanayo, ngicele i-meeting nawo wonke ma-teachers afundisa ama-language. Ngathi ngifuna kuhlangana nabo sokhuluma indaba yama-lesson plan, kanti futhi kune-workshop ekumele ngi-attende nami esekhethe. So vele le nkinga yokuthi sibe double booked angiyazi. Hayi, uzawungena lo safundisa umsebenzi obuye evarsity, akanasikhundla, akanikwanga nokuthi abobukeze sports lapha esikolweni. Cha, uyafundisa nje kuphela. Uzamuzwa athi nami le nkinga leyo nginayo. Nginale nkinga vele nami yokusi-double booka ngoba kusasa ngitshele ugrade 11B ngatshela no-grade 10C ukuthi kumele sihlangane afternoon makuphuma isikolo sibe nama-extra lesson. Manje njengoba woyithula ama-class ngenza i-appointment nawo, angazi ukuthi ngizakwenza njani ngoba manje labantwana vele sengivele ngibatshelile ukuthi sizohlangana senze ama-afternoon. Uzama kuyifaka naye kule ndaba yama-double bookings, kodwa kahle le conversation ayifithi ukuthi angangena yale SMT yabantu abanesipiliyoni abasekhundleni, kodwa ngokuthi akafuni kusalela emuva naye uzozama indlela yokuthi afune kurelate nabo. Ngikutshela ukuthi noma ngabe bantu basebenza ka-Eskom bonjiniyela, hayi bakhuluma about ma-transformer, new designs abuye China, at some point they need to be used in South Africa and their transportation is costly. Hayi, kuzawuvela oyedwa nje technician ugibela ipali naye sofuna kuyifakaza yama-engineer. Ufuna naye kuyifakaza athi vele lama-transformer, you are right, it's very expensive, it's like this thing yokuthi sigibele emapalini, it's very dangerous and what. Ubone nje ukuthi uyazifaka naye kahle uma ngalinda abekezele khona ngelinye ilanga azokhona ukuthi uma fakaza a-contribute something ene-value ku-conversation yabantu abakuleyo level. Ngisho nasesibhedlela kuba nje khona inesi elifikayo libuye college lagcina ngama-practical esibhedlela, selibuye ngoba selicede i-diploma noma i-degree yalo. Hayi, uzozwa bodokotela bakhuluma about i-medication, bakhuluma ngokusolve ama-problems ababhekana nawo uma baku-shift basebenza. Kuhlangene ama-specialist doctors nama-GP, ma-general practitioners, bonke bodokotela. Hayi, bayothi basakhuluma abangena unesi loyo. Yeah, you are right, Yazi. Even myself, speaking of those things you are talking about resuscitating people, I always have that challenge myself. Lento basiniki introduction yayo e-college, kodwa I didn't grasp it well. So nami I would like to learn those things, especially because I'm looking into becoming a medical doctor nami in the near future. You know what? Seng-enroll nok-enrolla e-university, but yazi ngiyatswafa nje ukuthi ngibuyele e-university full time as much as I want to be a doctor, because nina lento eniyenzayo is not much different from nathi lento esiyenzayo sibonesi. So yazi bodokotela ama-specialist nama-GP azambuka amlalele kodwa nawo awasazi ukuthi phela azawukhuluma njani ngokukhululeka, ngoba nangu usesi ekumele kube unake or ukhuluma nabantu abakulevel yakhe, songena eshice ey'ndabeni zabodokotela. Ngikutshela e-ofisini labameli kungaba nomabhalane, usekretary wommeli othile angathola bameli abathathu nje basekhishini benza itiya bakhuluma ngecase. Yeah, I served the summons and I'm waiting for a notice from the other party ukuthi bafake i-notice to oppose, and they are not doing that. Instead ummeli wakhona usolo uyangifonela uyangitshela ukuthi I do not have a case, I need to withdraw my summons, and we enter into negotiations out of court. Hayi, loyo secretary uzawufakaza lezo indaba zabameli. Yeah, vele ngiyamazi loyo mmeli okhuluma ngaye. Akafuni ukuthi izinto zisolve ecourt. I don't know ukuthi wayifundelelani lo, ngoba nakithi ku department yethu uhlala sitshela leyo nto yokuthi asicomplyanga nama rules of court, uhlala sibhedela nje. Futhi loyo uweak kabi, ungamyeki umbhacabule namanje. Hawu, ngimbhacabule. Hayi, bameli bebakhuluma indaba zabo zama-fees nabameli aba-difficult, kodwa ngoba usekretary ubone kumfanele ukuthi naye agcumukele kuleyo nkulumo, so yeyifakaza abameli-ke bazawuthula-ke balalele yena-ke sekakhuluma kabi ngomunye ummeli athole kukhulunywa ngaye lapho ekheshini kwenziwa itiya namakhofi. Hayi, so ithethe yena, sekulalelwa yena, bameli sebalalele yena ngimabhalane, so uyakhuluma yena, umazi kahle loyo mmeli akawazi umsebenzi.